My friends, welcome to my channel. This is Greenhouse, myself Gopa Chakravarti. So friends, again the festive time is there, so let me show you some good sarees this time. Let me start. This is the product number 1. Hey, we have good ones this time and pocket friendly ones. Number 1. Look at this. This is such a dressy one. A little fancy material from Bhagalpur. Look at the saree. It's very rich. And especially the bottom part of it is so very beautiful. With the birds and tree motif. I'll just drape it and show you. The drape is also comfortable, dear. So beautiful. This is the saree number 1 of our show. I've got all, look at this drape. This is so beautiful. And we have a blouse piece also of body color. This is the archal part. Look at the archal. And the motifs. This is Banarsi motifs all throughout. This is the material from Bhagalpur, but it's dressy. It's very comfortable, breezy one. So this is for 3800, dear. And the saree number 2. Yeah. Oh, lovely. This is my color. The grey is always ভীষণ ভালো লাগে আমার টানে গ্রেই টানে so nice, so rich. Look at this, such a rich piece. There's a lot of demand for this saree. 3800 only. 3800. Go for this. Prompt booking is needed. Kintu fatafat booking ena hoy je then afterwards you just change your mind. Be very careful while booking. And please subscribe my channel. You keep forgetting. Look at this. Lovely piece. With the blouse section of the same body color. It has a border like this, beautiful blouse section. It has a border like this. Lovely piece. And this is the saree number 3. Look at number 3. This is cut work. I have to open the saree and show you. This is the cut work done up for the archal. Look at the embroidery section. And price, you know how much? This is a beautiful piece. Go for this. This is only for 3900, dear. Look at this. This is on Manipuri silk. And the drape is also very nice. Look at the drape is also very comfortable and it falls on place. This costs only 3900, but beautiful cut work, embroidery work. This saree costs 3900, please. This is the tussar color one. Such a rich one again. Look at this. Look at the archal section with the cord piping all throughout the saree. Sarees like this. Look at the saree. Such a beautiful fall. And the blouse section is like this. The saree costs 3900 on a tussar color Manipur silk. This is the brick red one. This is the cut work, embroidery. Or a Manipur silk. It's like this. Like this. This cut work embroidery all throughout the border, lower border, and this is the blouse piece, same body color blouse piece. 3900, please. 3900 for this saree. Look at the saree again, have a look again. This costs 3900. Yeah, my silks, my batik silks. The black one. Look at that workmanship, so beautiful. This is a black saree. This is the wax batik. देखो. And on the pleats, it's like this, on the pleats. This is on the pleats. Let me drape it. Let me give you the effect of the pleats. This is the pleated portion. Pleated portion is like this. The whole saree goes like total black. And we have a blouse section in pink. This is the blouse in pink. So that's our saree number 6. It's on pure Bishnupur silk. 450 grams Bishnupur silk. Oh, this is on Malda silk. Look at this. the script and the holy Durga face. Parijat, the Shivli full, Parijato bole. Look at this. This is on silk. All throughout, lovely color. The sari will go for the color. It's so beautiful, so exclusively done. And the artwork. Look at the artwork of Goddess Durga on the achal and the blouse section. This flower is also very auspicious. Shivli Phul, Parijat. Number 8. Oh, that cost 5,500. This is Devi. This powerful. This depicts power in woman. Number 8. The same. এগুলি শিউলি ফুল দিয়ে করা হয়েছে and the goddess of power, Durga Shakti. All throughout this effect, and add to the beauty. There's the blouse section. It's like this. 5,500 টাকা. 5,500. Yeah, these are our batik silks. এগুলো আমাদের তো পরিচিত আছেনই আপনারা, আমাদের batik silks. Batiks are very popular from Greenhouse. This is number 9. This is again on a good quality silk. Look at this aanchal section. Is it the front portion or the ulto nahi to shaita? Oh goodness, I think the sari is like this. They folded it. This will be like this. Sorry dear. Yeah, this is the aanchal. Please, once again, this is the aanchal. How gorgeous! এটা পরলেই ভালো লাগবে, দারুণ শাড়ি, সুন্দর শাড়ি। It was a very heavy silk, beautiful workmanship. And there's a, this is the blouse section. Blouse section is this one. Look at the blouse section. The black one is the blouse section. Okay, this sari cost 5,500 dear. This is a better silk, good one, and a lot of work. This is from a different artist. So this is the sari, 5,500. And this is our Greenhouse Gachi Toshor. Next episode I will give you a lot of Gachi Tasas. Now you see this. Look at this Gachi Tasar. This time Shorutulir Kaj. look at this. Eta ki, let me do it like this, then you can take out a good photograph. Look at this. Wax batik, border crack border, such a gorgeous piece. So beautiful. Look at the drape. They are, you know, my stuff. Those you have used, Gachi Tussars from Greenhouse. This is a very beautiful one, 6,800 dear. It's a beautiful piece, and this has a blouse like this. Okay. Okay. Done. I've shown one of my best collection in Gachi Tussar. This is one more. This is number 11 of my episode. Oh, the beautiful color. The color is very rich. So Gachi Tussar. This is number 11, which costs 6,800 again. Number 11. You're familiar with my Gachi Tussars. This is the Gachi Tussar. Look at the skirt border down below. All throughout the same border has been extended, and here's the aanchal part. This is the aanchal part with the border on the sleeves. It has a border on the sleeves. This is the sari. Number 11 costs 6,800 dear. One more batik, Tussar batik. Oh, again the color. Let's again go for the color only. Look at the color. This is the aanchal. And the whole sari has lot of cracks. It's a very beautiful batik. Such a beautiful piece. Throughout the same concept, and yeah, to complement with this is the blouse section. This is the blouse section. Okay. This is again 6,800. All my batiks, Gachi Tussar on this thing is 6,800. Yeah, I have taken out sari number 13. My product number 13 of 100th episode. I am with you all for now. My 100th episode is running. I found it just now. It's 100th episode. This is sari number 13. Look at this. Look at the Tussar batik from Greenhouse on their 100th episode. I am grateful to all of you, dear. Look at this. Look at the sari. Such a beautiful piece. And the drape comes like this, as it is skirt border. It will just define your height. It's so beautiful. Look at the Tussar drape of Greenhouse. And This is the achal part. Look at the achal. So this is over. Oh, the blouse. Have I showed the blouse? This is the blouse section. This is the blouse section of the sari. Yeah, this is one more. This is the 14th one episode. This is the 14th, the product. Oh, lovely. This. এটা দেখুন, এটা দেখুন আপনার আঁচলটা, আঁচলটা একেবারে ডেসক্রিপটিভ বিউটিফুল আঁচল করেছে। Look at the আঁচল। And our sweet looking owls all throughout. So rich. ভীষণ সুন্দর। Owls are in pairs all throughout. So artistic. Owls look very artistic. $6,800 again. $6,800 for all my tussers. Number 15. This is what we do. Greenhouse product. This is like this on Katha. This is fusion Katha with Ari stitches down below. This is the Katha. And it goes like this, and half the sari is like this. There is all fusion work on Katha to give it a designer look. This is the second half after the pleats, and this portion comes like this on top. Look at this. This will be like this. Manage properly. Anyway, just I'm giving you a nice simple idea. This is what it will look like. It's like this. And the achal is like this. This is a fusion greenhouse, a fusion work and concept sari. This is the one. This is the Ari stitches, all handwork, mind you. They are all on Bangalore silk. For the tuck-in section, you could put extra cloth to give it a, because the Bangalore silks are little shorter than our Bishnupur silks. Then the tuck-in portion, you could put little extra fabric to make it look long. So this sari costs, how much? This sari costs 12,000. This sari, there is a handwork sari, total handwork, Katha with Ari stitches and with the blouse section. This is number 16. So much of different types of embroidery all together. Look at this tussar. Total handwork, different kind of embroidery. Also very special one. This is very special from Greenhouse. These are all our in-house products, in-house designs. Look at this, so stylish, so rich and so different. You wanted to wear something different, you could go for this saree. Just WhatsApp me, take a screenshot and WhatsApp me. 10,400 for this one. And with this kind of blouse you can make it into a, you can change the fabric and put something maroon or maroon with this to make the blouse. Yeah, this is our Gachi Tussar Kantha. This is the one. Oh goodness, it will kill you. This is like this. Look at this achal. And there's a dual border. This is on Gachi Tussar, and there's a print all throughout. The blouse is getting ready, so it will take a little time. I will give you the blouse piece when I parcel the sari to you. These are all, look at the embroidery, you can't make out which is embroidery and which is not. They are all embroidered ones. Such a stylish one. This costs 11,400 on the Gachi Tussar. The blouse piece is getting ready, dear. Don't worry, we will be giving you, providing the blouse piece to you. Look at this. 11,400 for this sari. Is on Gachi Tussar. Yeah, this is one more piece. Look at this. This is number 18. This is also a special one from our team. This is the 18th one. Look at this. Look at my Kantha. Look at the Kantha stitch sari on Gachi Tussar. Very stylish one. Upper section is very rich. The other half we've kept it like this, so it is, you get more attracted to this portion. It's a beautiful piece. A different kind. 10,200 for this piece, dear. Oh, the mauve. The mauve is in fashion now. The color mauve. And the dyed Kantha. See the workmanship. Small stitches uniformly done up. Such a beauty, such a beauty, such a beauty. Look at this. This is the mauve one. So beautiful, so beautiful. Dyed with two different colors. And this is on pure Gachi Tussar, dear. Very smart one. Look at this. I'll just give you a little of this. So rich. Look at the width of the sari is around 50 inches. Such a beautiful piece. It's going for 11,000. It's going for 11,000 here. And the blouse section, we have it in same body color. This is going for 11,000. And this is the embroidered one. This hand machine embroidery. Very intricate one. Look at the density of the workmanship. Number 20. Product number 20 is a very classy piece on Gachi Tussar. So minute the work. Every time they keep changing the thread, it is very difficult for them to do. This is machine embroidery, hand machine embroidery. This is fantastic. So royal in taste. Look at this. Shall I spread the achal like this? You could have a look. Very rich one, novelty, all with hand machine. This is for 13,000 dear. 13,000 for this piece. It's totally a handcrafted one, hand machine. They are using their hands. It's not computerized. Look at this. Look at the drape. Love to show you the saris. Watch patiently. We'll show. Look at this. This is so good. So nice. The fall is so comfortable. This sari costs 13,000 here. 13,000. 13,000 for this sari. This is the shibori ones. The shiboris. Look at my shibori. On pure Gachi Tussar. I feel like getting up and show you the actual effect of the sari is so lovely. Look at this. And there's little bit of fusion here and there. We have added little bit of cloth to make it to enhance the beauty. Look at this shibori sari. So beautiful, so rich. So rich shibori. All with organic colors. This costs 12,000. This is the shibori which costs 12,000. And the blouse has this. I'll show you the shibori again. This portion is so rich. Look at this. There's a great effort has been given for this to give it a beautiful tribal effect. Look at this, the color, so stylish. It's beautiful. This is mauve and soot grey mixing of colors. This is 12,000. And one more shibori. Number 22, and this is my last piece. Look at this. So very dynamic. Oh, so very beautiful. So stylish. This is on pure Gachi Tussar deer. This is all you, my friends, who have supported them. These are all handcrafted material I am showing you. Look at the shibori. Look at the sari. What a style. What a beauty. 12,000 for this piece. It's the time for closing now. So I've tried to give you my best. So stay happy, stay blessed, and take care of yourself, dear. Thank you.